Fantastic. Anything else?
When I walked in the park, I felt mud on my boots.
Mud on your boots. Did it make a noise?
We're decking on pumpkins. It's too big. It's too big and it's too big.
Where was the squirrel?
On that tree. Squirrel!
What can you see? What are these called? Do you know what these are called?
Jagged.
They are jaggy. But do you know what kind of leaves they are?
Jaggery.
Jaggy. Holly, let's have a good look, everyone. That is holly. Is it?
Mine.
You're absolutely right. It is a broken tree. It fell
And
down.
it looks like a mushroom.
Who cut it down? We are. Can you see the school?